What's up, guys? So I gotta show you guys this. This thing is nice. This monitor was given to me by Razzman FPV. Ray, thank you so much, brother. You already know my excitement over this thing. So guys, I had a tripod. I went ahead and just mounted it to the tripod. Ray sent me down a package. Gave me this. The monitor was in this bag here. All the cables and everything needed for it. We got some Mountain Dew stickers for Crystal. You guys know she's the Dew lover, and Ray loves Dew. Well, he has a guy that works for the company or something. Look at this. So this is going to be an upgrade for this. Take out that plastic one and drop that green aluminum in there. Oh my God, did he hook me up or not? Guys, this is the FlySight Black Pearl. Oh, come with the cords, you can plug in, whatever. Ray, straight dope. So what we got here, you guys might recognize this thing. This is a Hawk 5 frame, more or less. He said the motors were just about whooped, so we might be able to use some bells or something off of it if we tear something up. And if you guys don't know, Razzman FPV does the lipo koozies. Now you can see what he did here. He's going to be doing a video on that, showing you guys how to go ahead and do this. But so he sent me this in, and he sent me this. We went out to eat at this place here when he was down, so I'm gonna send him back a red and a blue one. And then he sent me the Velcro and all for me to do this one here. So Ray, I appreciate you, my brother. You are awesome. I think I covered everything that was in the box. Trying to think, did I take anything out already? But guys, I want to thank Ray so much for this monitor. I have been needing another monitor very badly, very bad, for bench, you know, work and stuff like that. So yeah, Ray, thank you so much, brother. I really appreciate you, man. I could use the crap out of this, as you know. You already know my excitement over it. Thank you for the box, man, and happy flying. That's right. What? That's not Carnage. It's close.